Hi there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to something that's going to transform the way you connect with your website visitors. It's called Chatcraft, your new AI powered chatbot that lives right on your website. With Chatcraft, your visitors get the information they need quickly, accurately, and effortlessly. Whether it's answering common questions, guiding users to the right page, or just making sure no one leaves confused, Chatcraft has it covered. No more endless scrolling, waiting for replies, or losing leads. Chatcraft is available 24/7, always helpful and always on point. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how it works and how easy it is to get started. So sit back, relax, and let me show you the process. On the landing page of Chatcraft, here you can find loads of valuable information about how Chatcraft can help you or your clients. Scrolling down to the pricing area, you will see the three basic plans available. To start off with, choose the free plan. Now create a new account by filling in your email address and a password, or better yet, click on the Sign Up with Google button. Log in using your Google account. Congratulations! You now have an account and can create your first chatbot. On the dashboard, you have an overview of the bots in your subscription and how they are doing. On the chatbots page, all of your bots will be listed, each on its own card with preview, conversation history, edit, test, and delete options. Analyzing chatbot conversation histories reveals crucial insights into customer needs and pain points. By examining these interactions, you can identify common questions, recurring issues, and service gaps on your website. This valuable data helps you strategically plan improvements to your offerings, optimize user experience, and ultimately deliver better solutions that directly address what your customers are actually looking for. When launching a new chatbot, ensuring its quality and safety is essential, and that's where our powerful chatbot testing feature comes in. We provide several predefined security tests that protect your brand and users by verifying your bot meets critical safety standards. What sets our platform apart is the ability to create custom tests that validate your bot, delivers accurate, high-quality responses specific to your website's unique knowledge base. Getting started is simple. After configuring your bot, navigate to the tester section and select either Run All Tests or choose specific tests to evaluate. Our system automatically handles the complex assessment process, providing you with a clear 5-star rating and actionable improvement recommendations to optimize performance before going live. Feeling unsure where to begin or looking for inspiration? Our ready-to-use templates make getting started effortless. Simply browse our collection, click Use Template, and customize it to fit your specific needs. Your chatbot's personality plays a crucial role in user engagement. Whether you need a professional customer support agent, an enthusiastic sales assistant, or a friendly guide with a touch of humor, you can tailor your bot's tone to perfectly represent your brand. For those wanting a truly customized experience, our AI persona generator creates the ideal chatbot personality for you. Just select your industry, preferred tone, and primary purpose, then click Generate Persona. In seconds, you'll have a uniquely crafted personality ready to engage your visitors effectively. The analytics dashboard puts powerful insights at your fingertips, giving you a comprehensive view of your chatbot's performance. Track essential metrics including total conversations, engagement patterns over time, and response effectiveness all in one place. Our standout feature, the Top Questions section, reveals exactly what your users are asking most frequently. This valuable intelligence doesn't just show how your chatbot is performing. It uncovers specific customer needs and highlights immediate opportunities to enhance your products and services. By identifying these patterns, you can make data-driven decisions that directly address customer pain points and ultimately drive business growth. Your new chatbot offers flexible display options to perfectly match your website's design and user experience goals. Choose from 3 strategic placement styles. With the floating chatbot, engage visitors with an elegant bubble that appears on either the left or right side of the screen, staying visible as users navigate your site. Prefer a more integrated look? The docked chatbot provides a seamless experience along the left, right, or bottom edge of your screen, creating a professional impression while maximizing screen real estate. For complete design control, our embedded option allows you to place your chatbot anywhere within your page layout, ideal for creating dedicated support sections or integrating assistance directly into complex forms or checkout processes. Customize placement to match your unique user journey and watch engagement soar. We offer flexible subscription options designed to fit any need. Whether you're an individual entrepreneur looking to enhance your website with powerful AI assistance, or a web developer seeking to provide premium chatbot solutions to multiple clients, we have the perfect plan for you. So why not give us a try? Transform your website into an interactive 24/7 customer service hub that automatically answers questions, generates leads, and delivers insights, all while reducing support costs by up to 60%. Start today with our free plan and experience the difference intelligent conversation can make for your business.